Well, hello everyone, and thanks for just watching our unboxing video. My name is Tommy Butts. I'm an extension weed scientist with Purdue University, and I wanted to give a quick rundown of the new spray drone that's entered our fleet here at Purdue in the weed science program. This is the EAVision J150. It's relatively one of the newest in the marketplace at this point. A few quick rundowns on it since you got to see it get unboxed. This features a 20-gallon tank size, so we're talking roughly 160 to 200 pound payload capacity. It also comes equipped with LiDAR, so it can have some more accurate flight height adjustments, especially going across crops in season. Similar battery life to various other spray drones on the marketplace that you can see here. As well as up front, which we'll talk about in a second, but 4 different rotary atomizer type nozzles. All right, so while we're here too, the one other thing I wanted to quick highlight was the nozzles on this, a little bit more up close and personal. So the way we're looking at this drone is it's actually backwards. So this is the back side of the drone. It would be flying away from us right now. So the nozzles are placed on the back. The EAVision J150 has 4 of these rotary atomizer spinning disc nozzles. So they're also known as centrifugal nozzles, but they spin at high RPMs. The spray comes out and it has a relatively very consistent droplet size then that's emitted, and it flings the spray kind of out and about. And so the way this one has it, it's got these 4 nozzles all placed on the back to produce that spray. I did want to just say, be on the lookout for this year and moving forward for this and in our research program and extension efforts. We're going to have some ongoing projects this year evaluating a whole variety of things with spray drones, from the J150 and other platforms that are looking at the weed control from them, looking at deposition, as well as effective swath width, so we can maintain consistency across our spray drone applications out there in our row crop scenarios. So just be on the lookout for that. And finally, I just wanted to say thank you to Agri-Spray Drones for the academic partnership program that we were able to receive this spray drone as a part of. And so it's a wonderful industry academic collaboration where we're going to be able to test this equipment out and really get some best management practices for our drone applicators out there. So thank you to them. And like I said, stay tuned moving forward through the year.